If you tend to eat a lot of potato chips and fried potatoes, you're likely to gain weight. Choose 100% whole grains and other complex carbs instead. I'm Dr. Vonda Wright. Has the number of too tight clothes in your closet mysteriously multiplied? Gaining weight often occurs so gradually that you're not quite sure how it happened. A pound a year creep is the rule in North America, but 20 years equals 20 pounds. Well, it's no mystery. These 6 things have the biggest impact on weight gain as you age. Potatoes. If you tend to eat a lot of potato chips and fried potatoes, you're likely to gain weight. Choose 100% whole grains and other complex carbs instead. Red meat, all meat, regular or processed, makes you gain. Trade some of those burgers for non-fried fish. Sugar. Sugary drinks and desserts put on the pounds. So do other highly processed carbs like white bread. You don't lift weights. Weight training builds muscle, which helps you burn more calories 24/7 than fat does. Lack of sleep. Many studies link poor sleep and weight gain. Aim for 6.5 to 8 hours every night. Watch too much TV. Watching 3 hours a day adds 5 pounds every 20 years. Turn off the tube. Change these habits, and you can stay your svelte self through middle age and beyond. For more tips to live better and longer, watch all our Health Smarts videos.